In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet an uppercase letter J. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtlecreativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. In today's crochet tutorial, I'm very excited to bring to you a crochet tutorial where I will teach you how to make an uppercase letter J. Now for this tutorial, you're going to need yarn, of course. I'll be using Red Heart Super Saver in the color white. You'll also need a crochet hook. I'll be using a size letter I. You'll also need a pair of scissors and a yarn needle. Well, I'm going to roll up my sleeves just a tad, and I'm ready to get crocheting now. So let's get started in crocheting the letter J. In order to crochet the letter J, you will need to know a few basic crochet skills: chaining, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. If you do not know how to do those crochet stitches, it's okay. Right here, I will link for you a series where I did that I will show you each crochet skills that you would need to know in order to do this letter J. So go ahead, practice those skills, and then come on back and we can crochet together. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with a slip knot. And then we're going to go ahead and chain 11. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to pull up on my yarn, and in this very first chain space, I'm going to put 3 double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook into that first chain space, pull up. There are 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. We're going to do that 2 more times. Now we're going to put a half double crochet in the next 9 chain spaces. So yarn over, insert your hook in to the next chain space, pull up. There are 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. So we're going to do that 8 more times. We're going to go ahead and put a half double crochet in this 8th chain space. All right, now for our last chain space. We're going to put 3 double crochets in this last chain space. So yarn over, insert your hook in the last chain space, pull up. 3 loops is on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to do that 2 more times. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of turn our top part of our J this way. So now what we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch 4 over. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now what we're going to do is chain 13. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pull up on our yarn. In this first chain space, we're going to put 3 double crochets. Okay. Now over the next 4 chain spaces, we're going to put 2 half double crochets in each of the next 4 chain spaces. So yarn over, insert our hook in. There's our 3 loops. We're going to pull through all 3, and then we're going to do the same thing in the exact same chain space. So yarn over, insert our hook in, 3 loops is on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay? So let's do that 3 more times. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put 1 half double crochet over the next 8 chain spaces. Now we're going to count up 3 chain spaces. So 1, 2, 3, and we're going to put a slip stitch right here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put a single crochet around each stitch around our J. Okay, so we're here for our last single crochet right there. And now what we're going to do is just come up and do a slip stitch right there. And we can go ahead and cut our yarn. Right, and now we can flip over and we can sew in our tails. Now when we are creating our letter J, we're twisting it, we're turning it, it can get all twisted and out of shape. So what I love to do for all of my letters is give it a burst of heat. And we're going to do that with my Easy Press. Flipping our letter on the back side, placing my Teflon sheet down. I am going to go ahead and press it for 3 seconds. Here is my completed uppercase letter J. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.